friends, in today's class, let us discuss how to install, connect and determine the performance of a single-phase AC motor. Objectives. At the end of this video, you will be able to read the manufacturer's installation instructions and follow them, transfer the template measurements to the mounting base, make the template for the base mounting of the given motor, frame wooden making, marking, drilling, selecting the hole size. Masonry tools like travel, spirit level, etc. 1 set. Drilling machine electric 12.7 mm capacity with drills 1 number. Measuring tape 3 meters 1 number. Electrician hand tool kit 1 set. Spanner set 5 mm to 30 mm 1 set. Ball peen hammer 500 gram 1 number. AC single phase motor 0.5 HP 240 volt 1 number. Connecting cables as required. Plywood 8 mm thick 40 into 30 cm 1 number. Nuts, grounding bolts as required. GI wire 14 SWG 6 meters. Procedure. Task 1. Installation of single-phase AC motors. Read the nameplate details and record in the motor maintenance card. Make necessary arrangements at the place where the motor is to be installed as per manufacturer's nuts and bolts and RCC foundation, etc. Determine the size of the connecting cable and fuse from the rating of the motor. Fuse current rating will be 2 or 3 times more than running current. Calculating fuse ratings of motors. Cut 2 straight pieces and 2 cross pieces of plywood and mark the holes accordingly to the size of the holes of the base of the motor on the wooden frame planks. Select the size of the drill according to the size of the mounting bolt as recommended by the manufacturer. Drill the holes according to the size mentioned. Make use of the template measurements on the mounting base and get the base mounting ready for installing the motor. A. Fix the planks with a grounding bolt. B. Check for level using the spirit level. C. Fill the space around the bolts with thin coarse cement mortar. In the training institute, use clay mortar instead of cement to facilitate repetition easily by every trainee in a batch. D. Allow it to settle down for 8 to 12 hours. Then remove the template planks. E. Cure the cement mortar with water for a minimum of 2 days. F. Finish the surface by plastering neatly. Include vibration arresting devices as per the manufacturer's instructions such as spring, washers, etc. Install the motor and fix it with nuts. Make double earthing in accordance with IE regulations and IS recommendation. 1. Identify the earthing terminal in the motor's terminal box or the frame itself. It is usually marked with the Earth E symbol. 2. Connect one end of the GI galvanized iron earthing wire to the motor's earthing terminal. 3. Connect the other end of the earthing wire to a suitable electrical ground such as grounding busbar in the electrical distribution panel or a designated earthing point provided by the building's electrical system. Install the grounding electrode, a copper rod or plate, into the ground outside the building. Hammer the grounding rod into the soil until it is fully buried, leaving only a portion exposed above the ground. If using a grounding plate, bury it in a trench, ensuring good contact with the soil. Connect one end of a separate GI earthing wire to the grounding electrode, rod or plate. 7. Connect the other end of the wire to the motor's metal frame, ensuring a tight and secure connection. Check the continuity of the windings using Merger and also check the effectiveness of grounding. Recap. In this section, we have discussed how to determine the performance of a single-phase AC motor. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.